Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change inverted camera on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the camera app. You can find it either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, look for the settings icon. This is usually located in the top left or top right corner of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options to customize your camera settings. Step 3. Once you're in the camera settings menu, scroll down and look for an option that says Save Selfies as Previewed or something similar. This option is usually enabled by default, which means your selfies are saved exactly as they appear on the screen. But don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Step 4. Now, simply tap on the Save Selfies as Previewed option to disable it. Once you do this, your camera will stop flipping your selfies, and they will now appear as they naturally should. That's it. You've successfully changed inverted camera settings on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.